What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. As you can see, we're still working on the Duramax and we're getting close. We're getting really close. So today we're going to be throwing the front accessories back on, getting the coolant system put back together, and we'll just see where it kind of takes us. So we're just going to hop right into it. Alright, so here's some of the fancy powder coated stuff. I already went ahead and, oh geez, if this thing will focus. Nope, not gonna focus. So I already went ahead and put that pipe plug in there, or the plug in there. That's for the factory turbo feed, I believe. Maybe it's the drain, I could be wrong. So put some thread sealant on there along with the factory copper washer. New O-ring there. Wow, this thing will not focus today. There we go. New O-ring there. Better look at that fitting. So we ended up getting that put in there. And then I had to run to the store real quick, the auto parts store, because I thought I got these gaskets for the thermostat, but I didn't. So I got those ordered. Those will be here by the end of the day. Got the new gasket for the little pipe that goes in here and where it connects down on the water pump. So on that coolant riser pipe there from the water pump, I think that's actually the factory feed there. Could be the drain. I don't know which one it is. But so we ended up getting a little cover for that, so that'll take care of that. So I won't have the coolant line that runs like all the way up and along in there now. So let's go ahead and we're going to get that the crossover pipe put on. So we've been knocking this thing out and it's getting real close. So we're gonna go over a little recap, and I ran into a couple little things. I'm gonna explain that. Alright, so as you can see, it's pretty well together. I just put the serpentine belt on. Yeah, I know, everything's nice and painted. Alternator came out really good. I'll have to do something with the AC condenser at some point, but for now, it's gonna be all right. So, a couple little things I ran into. Number one being the coolant pipe here. So it comes out, of course there's no light. So the coolant pipe comes out right here and it goes, you know, over there. And they make the van housings, and I'm gonna have to get one. I didn't think I was gonna, but This, I had to cut that little tab off because it was running like way into the turbo here. So, had to cut that off, and I just kind of test fitted a piece of 5" in here just to see how it was, and it'll work for now. So, that was the one little issue I ran into. And then the other thing that I kind of had to do, I had to bend this air conditioner line up a little bit and over, which I think that's just because of the way it was sitting. And then this line here, I had to bend that up quite a bit, and then I also had to bend it over here quite a bit to get it on top of that compressor cover. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get the cold side pipe put on real quick, and then the hot side, and then I think we're gonna try and fire it. Ended up getting that intercooler pipe in, did that off camera. I did quite a bit off camera. She's ready to go. I didn't put any of the fan shroud or nothing back in yet just because, and I'm not going to put coolant in it because you never know. We might have lost a bolt in the motor, who knows. So that and that may or may not be the truth. So I don't know. I lost a bolt at some point. So we'll find it maybe if it's in the engine. But, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to get these batteries connected, and we're going to try and fire this thing. You good?
Yeah, you're good.
Woo! Big old spoolie boy. Alright, so it started good. I was actually kind of surprised. I had, you know, injection lines off and the whole fuel system pretty much apart. And it only took, well, you guys saw it. It only took probably, what, 20, 30 seconds to fire, so that was pretty good. So, I just got the TCM just hanging out right here. I haven't put any of this stuff back in yet, mainly because I still have to, that thermostat housing, that's not tightened down yet. I don't have coolant in it. That crossover pipe right there is going to be way too close to that inlet, so I think I'm going to end up getting one of the ones that comes forward and the radiator hose comes across the front here. So that's going to do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's more to come on this thing. I still have to fabricate that 5" intake for this and put the MAF sensor little piece in it and all that stuff. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and like the video on the way out, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.